Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a brand new, in the box, vintage Cygnus Petrol lighter. This lighter is ribbed vertically on the front and back. Nice aluminum block lighter, made in Japan. I believe Cygnus was made by Penguin. The box has some damage from age and wear, stains. You can see a tear there on that one corner of the bottom of the box. The top of the box is in pretty good shape and looks to have an old original store price tag on it. I said the lighter was brand new in the box, which it is. And as far as I can tell, did not appear to have ever been struck. But as you'll see once we get over to the workshop, you may have some hurdles with buying a brand new vintage lighter that you wouldn't have if you were purchasing a brand new lighter that has just been stocked on store shelves today. Degrading flint is definitely an issue with vintage petrol lighters, even the brand new ones. We'll get a couple of different vantage points here in the photo box so that we can catch the lighter in all the lighting angles possible. It's a very cool lighter, very elegant, very fancy, fairly simple to operate and use. Definitely a curiosity that you would have in your pocket rather than carrying around a Bic. Nothing like carrying around an old vintage petrol lighter to light your whatever you light. But in order to do that, sometimes even the new ones need a little bit of work. This is not my first Cygnus Petrol lighter, but it is my first brand new one. If you can still consider it brand new, since I borrowed the fuel screw to make the video, or actually a couple of videos, for a very fancy engraved Cygnus lighter. So got the fuel screw back in here now. If you like watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit that share button. Send the link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. When I got this lighter, the spare flint that was in the spare flint compartment here had turned to dust. It was easy enough to blow out and wipe out, no problem. That is marked Cygnus, patent 364149. This lighter has not had fuel in it. See, it looks like scratches, but it's just I believe it's just a grain in the different piece of metal, as opposed to the bar stock that the actual lighter is made out of. That could be scratches, but I believe it's the way that the metal groove and lines in the metal, the way it was worked. The flint was also stuck in the flint tube here. The Cygnus lighters have the very nifty little thumb roller here for your flint spring instead of an actual screw going in. We would appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. Until next time.